We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SEDG. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side, is a bullish green doji. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level highs, and also adding third level highs. So zoom in the price, once again, price action, bullish green doji. We can see market created, stopped at second level highs above that midpoint area. Also consolidated all the way to the left hand side of that high area, multiple spike ups. So if price action is currently sitting at 311.51, if price action works its way up, it can tag that numbers of the red SR line at 313.60. Next level it can make it to is near the numbers of 335.55. Before tagging that number, it also can tag the numbers nearing 324.44. Now, if price works its way down from the current area, it can head down to the bottom of that, near the bottom of that price action wick at 290.18. And before tagging that number, it also can tag the numbers of 300.36. So let's say this market does work its way up further. We can see that that market did break that overall midpoint. So once it broke the overall midpoint, it came back to retest that area multiple times. And let's think about it as if we take a midpoint and we create that area and we put a zone around that midpoint. How many times the market tagged that zone at that midpoint after the break? The market identified overall, looking at red and green touches. We do have that overall first, second, third, fourth. So we got 4 pushes down to that bottom. So we have a triple bottom and a retest, or a quadruple bottom. Now we're looking for that market to break that will be, let's clear this off. That will be the midpoint of this area. Current SR line is currently at. To push up further from that quadruple bottom, the retest to push that market up further. If not, that market is coming from multiple pushes to that top of that resistance, and that will be identified as the first, second, third, retest at the midpoint of that overall structure in that area. If it breaks, you see that market probably working its way up. If not, market could come down from that triple top and a retest, overall 4 pushes up to that area. Or that market can consolidate. Now in the weekly time frame, price action, bullish green large doji pushed down to the bottom, so it came back to retest that spike up to the high of the second, third, and some of the fourth to last candle in that area before market came back to retest. So there's a double bottom in that area. So let's draw out what we see. The fourth to last candle pushed up, third last candle pushed down for that retest, first leg, second leg, third leg, as we can see with the price action spiking down with momentum to push up. So it's a double bottom in that area, and we'll see as we're walking down that time frame. Overall structure, first, second, third, fourth, came to the midpoint, looking for the retest for that market to break out within that area, double bottom in the retest. Or we can receive that consolidation, headed down to the daily. On the daily, we have price action, bullish green candle, still trying to enter the zone, now trying to break the resistance line. Did tag it, but still lost momentum. Still could follow up with another bullish green candle to break that area out, and it'll be an overall first, second, third market push up. Another W in that area, first, second, third, fourth. So W's inside W's. We look for that market to break, to identify the break and retest. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we do know that we are on the resistance of a main area. So we're going to place that zone within that area. We're going to stretch it out. Now we can see that market. Now we can see that market did reach inside that zone, but let's say if it doesn't breakthrough and it reverses, it will be multiple pushes to that zone area of overall first, second, third, fourth. We have that double top. Price action came back to retest, follows up with a reversal. You'll see that double top and the retest markets coming down. Headed down to 3, we have price action as a bearish red doji. So that's reading as the break into that area, market came back to retest. So headed down to the 2-hour time frame, same as well, breaking retest, price action, bullish green candle. 1-hour time frame, same thing, multiple retests, market broke, came back to retest, pushed up again, retest. So it's trying to create a double bottom in this area for that first, second. Price actions is a retest so far that midpoint, and if it follows up with a bullish green candle, you'll see that W in that area. Also, if you connect the resistance to those wicks, bring that support horizontally across, we'll see that that market is in that wedge pattern. So we're looking for the breakout. Walking down to the 45-minute, same as well, break, retest, market push. So you can see it tagged that resistance line, that midpoint of that zone. So it could be drawing out that first, second, third, because that price action did lose a lot of momentum, could be coming down from a double top in that area. If that price action engulfed that second last candle to push that market down to the bottom of that zone. Headed down to the 30, same as well, price action, bearish red doji, press up to the top. So same as well as this one, press up to this area, same side, price actions opposite side, price action reading as the press up to push down. Walking down to the 15-minute time frame, same as well. But now on the 15 is reading as a double top, first, second, third, fourth double top. Market came back to retest the previous side. If it doesn't break out, if coming down from a double top in a retest. So far, price second, third, fourth, fifth, all side by side. So if we break down the levels, we have the midpoint, we have second level lows, and we have lower lows in that market. So if that market is respected, we'll see that first, second, which is the break at the midpoint, came back to retest. Price action just popped up with the bullish green candle. If it engulfs that previous side, you'll see that W formation. Head down to 5-minute. 5-minute price action just reading as just bounced around on that midpoint multiple times between the second level lows and the midpoint. Markets ranging in that area, still looking for the breakout to engulfment of the upside or downside. Market's getting very choppy. Price action, 3-minute time frame, bullish green candle, still reading as that market's working its way sideways. 1-minute time frame, same as well, pulling back, patterns trying to form. If you think about adding another midpoint in this area, you can see where market had market spiked that high, came back to another midpoint within this area, came back to retest that previous area and coming down, trying to create that double top for that first, second, third, fourth. If not, if it's respected, you'll see that W form for that first, second, third, market coming back up. Very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, SEDG, Stock.